Inhlanganiso yeBulawayo Volleyball Association iqhube umkhosi wokunanza abadlali abadlale kuhle nyakenye kanye lalabo abadlale indima enkulu ekuthuthukiseni umdlalo wevolleyball kuleli dolobho lakoBulawayo. Abathole imivuzo kulolu hlelo oluqhutshelwe edolobheni lakoBulawayo ngomgqibelo ngabagoqela iqembu leZTRP Raiders okuyilo elinqobe kumncintiswano oqhutshwe phakathi laphakathi kwesizini kanye leqembu leBulawayo Spartans okuyilo eliphakamise isicoco seligi ekupheleni kwesizini. Kumncintiswano wezikolo amaqembu athole izicoco ngabalisa elamankazana eLimpopo High School kanye lelabafana eLuveve High School ukuthi kwabenza izifundo zaphezulu amaqembu athole izicoco ngabalisa eNational University of Science and Technology kucele labesifazane kanye leleHillside Teachers College kucele labesilisa. Umgcinisihlalo wenhlanganiso yeBulawayo Volleyball Association uWilliam Mazwiro uthe ngokwakuqala ngemva kwesikhathi eside kuba kuqhutshwe umkhosi wokubonga abenze kuhle.
Ngokubona kwethu mina ngibona ama-awards ehambe kuhle especially njengoba kungama-awards akuqala iBulawayo Volleyball ebelawo. Into leyo sesikhangela ukuthi into eminyaka yonke ezabe isenzakala ekupheleni kwesizini yethu. Sithi sinanzelela abantu abayenze kuhle kulowo mnyaka njalo sinanzelela abantu abayenze kuhle even la ngemuva njengoba unanzelele besilama lifetime awards.
Iqembu leBulawayo Spartans zilo elibe labadlali abaningi abaphiwe izicoco ngemva kokuphakamisa isicoco seligi kumncintiswano wabesifazane la kumncintiswano wabesilisa njalo laba ngababalisa uMary Macheza, uNomagugu Dube, uThawanda Makombe, uGuda kanye loWilling. Isicoco sikaNompembe osebenze kuhle kakhulu sithethwe nguSikhumbuzo Gwala ukuthi umnikazi weqembu leBulawayo Spartans uvule indlela moyo nguye ophiwe inhlonipho yokuba umqeqeshi obambe indima enkulu ekuthuthukiseni umdlalo wevolleyball koBulawayo, i-Lifetime Achievement Award. Isiphathamandla senhlanganiso yeZimbabwe Volleyball Association uBrian Manuel ubuke kakhulu umsebenzi owenziwe ngabeBulawayo Volleyball Association ukuqhuba lumkhosi wokunanza abadlali lenkokheli zomdlalo wevolleyball edolobheni lakoBulawayo.
Well done to BVA because BVA is actually appreciating the effort by the athletes and so on. You know, it's difficult times. Companies are not sponsoring teams and so on, but these people were able to come for our games. They did their best. So I'm saying to BVA, well done for actually appreciating their efforts.